Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I just bought my very first luxury bag and it is the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Mini. I've actually been saving for this bag ever since I transferred to a 4-year university so I can buy it as a graduation gift, and now that I've graduated, I finally was able to buy it for myself. So I just wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So after the unboxing, I'll just share with you guys different ways to wear the bag and how I got it and other information just like that. So let's get started. So this is the box the bag comes in. So let's just open the bowl up. Inside. Here. And here's the little backpack. And then the straps are inside. So here are the straps for the Palm Spring Mini. In the store, I had the sales associate set it up as a backpack for me because that's how I intend on wearing it the most. So let me just put these straps on the backpack. Okay, so here it is as a backpack. Not only can you wear it as a backpack, but you can also wear it as a crossbody bag. You just have to adjust the straps and change it up, and I'll show you guys how it looks like on me. I am 5'5", so this is how the backpack would look like on me. And then this is how it would look like as a crossbody bag. So here's my receipt. And I got the bag at a retail price of $1,990, and after tax it was $2,193. I know this is a lot of money, but I have been saving for this for about 2 years. The bag I got was actually made in the USA. I understand a lot of people want their bag made in France, but I just bought the first Palm Spring Mini that I can get my hands on. I was impatient and did not want to wait and look for one that was actually made in France. And to be honest, I don't care too much where it's made. So how I was able to get my hands on this bag was my friend actually called the customer service line and asked them if there were any stores within our area that had this bag available. They were able to tell her a couple of stores that may or may not have it, so we went the very next day in the morning to check if they had any in stock. So the first store we went to actually did not have a bag in stock, so we went to the next nearby store and they had one in stock. The thing is, we wanted two, one for me and one for her. So I got this one, the one in store, and then she was able to put her information down and have the store send her a bag once one became available. So if you're looking for a Palm Spring Mini, make sure you call the customer service line and maybe visit the store and ask if they can put your name down so they can send you one if they had it available. So now that I got my Palm Spring Mini, I actually want another bag. I want the Speedy Nano. But I know that one's a little bit harder to get my hands on and I would need time to save for it. But until then, I'm gonna keep checking out their website to see if they come back in stock. And when I'm fully ready to buy it, I'll start calling the customer service line. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you want a Palm Spring Mini yourself, make sure you call the customer service and check their website. But thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!